First Warn 5 weather supported by DHR Health. And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Hey everyone, we've had a hot Sunday afternoon with high temperatures reaching the 90s. Some places did see the triple digits. Most areas did stay dry, but we have also been seeing a few isolated showers and storms, primarily in the upper valley and one small cell or two in the mid valley earlier. We should see a quiet night with temperatures dipping into the mid 70s. Look at the temperatures right now, 98 degrees in Edinburgh and McAllen, still in the triple digits out west in Rio Grande City. It's 94 in Brownsville and 95 in Harlingen. So here's your evening planner forecast. Yes, we could have an early evening stray shower, but most areas will stay dry for tonight. We're down to 90 degrees at 7 p.m. with partly cloudy skies, down to 83 at 9 p.m. and then 81 degrees at 11 o'clock this evening. Let's take a look at the tropics, of course. First things first, here is Category 5 Hurricane Dorian with a very scary looking eye over the northern Bahamas. And then we're watching this area of disturbed weather, this tropical disturbance over the Gulf of Mexico, which has just a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days as it tracks westward over the western Gulf. So because of this tropical wave or disturbance, it's not related to Dorian, we stand to have a better chance of some showers and thunderstorms here in the valley over the next couple of days, including tomorrow. The good news is that those temperatures will finally start to come down this week with highs in the lower 90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We'll zoom into Dorian, a Category 5 hurricane, a catastrophic Category 5 hurricane, moving very slowly over the Bahamas. That is a problem. It's going to move slowly, even perhaps slow down for tonight as it inches westward, but it is still expected to make that turn toward the northwest perhaps by the next day or so. So here's the east coast of Florida. Now the forecast track does keep the center offshore, but still the east coast of Florida will see effects and feel effects from this powerful hurricane. So the maximum winds are 185 miles per hour. That ties the 1935 Labor Day hurricane for strongest hurricane in the Atlantic on record. Pressure 26.87, moving slowly to the west at 5 miles an hour. The center is 75 miles to the east of Freeport, Grand Bahama Island. And here's the official forecast track from the hurricane center. Dorian expected to make a turn toward the northwest, perhaps by Tuesday, move almost parallel to the coast of Florida, east coast of Florida, and then turn toward the northeast. So people, including in the states of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia, should be watching Dorian very carefully this week. This is going to be a factor for several days for this week along the southeastern U.S. We'll take a look at the spaghetti models, and most of them keep Dorian offshore, but two models still want to take Dorian onshore along the east coast of Florida. The others stay offshore, and most of them stay offshore, at least touch the coast of North Carolina and South Carolina. Here's the radar from the Bahamas, the radar imagery. You can see that well-defined eye. There's Marsh Harbor, and then here's Freeport, Grand Bahama Island as Dorian slowly moves to the west. So this is a very, very bad situation for our friends in the Bahamas. And then in the state of Florida, hurricane warning shown in the red from Jupiter Inlet all the way to the county border between Volusia and Brevard counties. That's around Daytona Beach and around the Kennedy Space Center. Volusia County is Daytona Beach, and Brevard County is the Kennedy Space Center. And the tropical storm warning in effect for West Palm Beach shown in the orange. Now, tropical storm warning, as I said, shown for parts of South Florida. Now for us, we're talking about that area of disturbed weather in the Gulf of Mexico, that dotted yellow line. That's not related to Dorian, but this tropical disturbance will head westward and give us a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms this week. So that's going to lower our temperatures. So it's not an all-day rain event tomorrow for Labor Day, but consider indoor plans. We have a better chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, and a higher chance of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. Finally, by Friday, things start to dry out and warm up just in time for next weekend with highs back in the mid-90s. 40% chance of scattered thunderstorms tomorrow and a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's that 7-day forecast. First 4 and 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Back to 90 on Wednesday, 93 on Thursday. That's your first 4 and 5 forecast.